Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn to Code with Aditi. So today I am going to explain the algorithm and also write the code for this bill division problem which is there in problem solving section of HackerRank. So let me give you a very small overview of this problem. There are two friends, Anna and Brian, and they are deciding how to split the bill. And this Brian is a cheater according to the question and we have to catch him. So basically we are given with an array and an integer, and that integer is the item which Anna will not eat. So we have to exclude that integer or that item and calculate the bill that Anna has to pay. And we are also given with that integer that Brian tells Anna to pay. So the basic approach of this question is that we'll be deleting that particular item from that array or the list, and then we are going to calculate the sum of the rest of the items, and then we are going to divide it by 2, and that will be the amount which Anna will pay. So basically if Brian tells the correct bill to Anna, then we have to print Bon Appetit, and if not, then we have to print the remaining amount which Brian has to pay Anna, because he has told the wrong amount, so he owes to Anna. So let's go and write the code. We are given with this bill as list of integers and this integer k which Anna is not going to eat. It is the item that Anna is not going to eat, and b is the bill that Brian tells Anna that he has to pay. So first of all we are going to accept this list into an array list of integers. Let's name it list only, and then we have to cast it into an array list, because of course I told you in the previous videos also that it is the super class of array list, so it can't convert itself into an array list, so we have to convert it. And then this bill. Now we are going to remove that index from this list which Anna is not going to eat, that is k. Now we are going to take a variable sum in which we'll calculate the sum of all the items in that list via for loop, for each loop actually. Int item in list sum is equal to sum plus item, and here we have to initialize sum with 0. Now at the end we are going to take another variable named as, you can take it as price, which will be equal to sum divided by 2, because there are two people who are going to split the bill. And then we are going to check if price is equal to b, then we are going to print let's see what it is, Bon Appetit. Else we are going to print the difference, b minus price, and we have to include this string because this function accepts only string arguments and not int arguments. So let's go and run the code. Sample test cases are clear. Now we are going to submit the code and see all test cases are clear. So if you found this video helpful and worth watching, then please go like my video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and let's meet in the next HackerRank challenge.